Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this section, we're going to talk about the steps trucking companies can take to reduce emissions and how modern technologies are paving the way for a greener future in the industry. Economic and policy measures supporting the transition. As we move toward a cleaner transportation future, various economic and policy measures are stepping in to support the transition from older diesel trucks to newer, cleaner models. These initiatives aim to ease the financial burden on businesses while fostering a healthier environment. Let's take a closer look at some key aspects. Green incentive programs. Many government and regional bodies offer green incentive programs to encourage businesses and individuals to upgrade their older diesel trucks. These programs often include grant funding, rebates, or low-interest loans to help offset the costs associated with purchasing cleaner models. For example, some states provide cash incentives for retiring older models and replacing them with electric or hybrid vehicles. Not only does this make the upfront investment more manageable, but it also encourages fleet operators to prioritize environmentally friendly options. Participating in these programs can yield substantial financial savings, making it a win-win for both the planet and their bottom line. Regulatory compliance and emission standards. The landscape of transportation is heavily influenced by regulatory compliance and stringent emission standards. Governments have increasingly put in place strict regulations that limit the amount of pollutants older diesel trucks can emit. This shift is not just about compliance. It drives the necessity for businesses to replace older models. For instance, the introduction of higher standards for nitrogen oxide, NOx, emissions means that older trucks may struggle to meet these requirements. As a result, many companies are finding that upgrading their fleet is no longer optional, it's essential for staying in business. Stricter regulations push fleets to be more accountable, and transitioning to cleaner vehicles helps them comply and avoid hefty fines. Tax credits for fleet modernization. In addition to grants and rebates, there are tax credits that make it financially appealing to modernize fleets. Companies and individuals can secure tax deductions by investing in electric or low-emission vehicles. These credits can significantly diminish tax liabilities, making upgrades more attractive. For instance, federal tax incentives may allow for substantial deductions on new vehicles, creating a compelling reason to invest in newer technology. This not only eases the financial burden but also sends a strong message about the importance of sustainability. When fleets opt for modern trucks, they not only save money, they also contribute to a cleaner environment and improve their public image. By taking advantage of these economic and policy measures, businesses can transition away from older diesel trucks with greater ease and financial support. This shift isn't just about compliance, it's about leading the charge toward a more sustainable future. Challenges in retiring older diesel trucks. Transitioning away from older diesel trucks presents several challenges for businesses. Companies must navigate a range of financial, logistical, and cultural obstacles in this important shift toward cleaner alternatives. Financial constraints for small businesses. For many small businesses, the financial burden of replacing older diesel trucks can be overwhelming. Upfront costs for new vehicles, even with financing options, constrain operating budgets. Adopting cleaner technologies may also require additional investments in infrastructure, such as charging stations for electric trucks. Consider this. The average cost of a new diesel truck can exceed $100,000, while electric or hybrid models often start even higher. Many small companies may not have the capital available for a complete fleet overhaul. Some owners might hesitate to take on loans, fearing high payment obligations could threaten their bottom line. This financial pressure complicates the decision to retire older models, even if they would save money on fuel and maintenance in the long run. Availability of alternatives. While the market for electric and hybrid trucks has grown, supply still lags behind demand. Many businesses are eager to upgrade but find that the selection of suitable vehicles isn't sufficient to meet their needs. Availability can be limited by manufacturers and distribution networks not keeping pace with the push for cleaner alternatives. Moreover, some electric trucks may not yet be ready for specific applications, like heavy-duty hauling or long-distance jobs. Limited range, charging time, and payload capacity are significant considerations for many businesses that rely on traditional diesel engines. This mismatch can create hesitance to invest in electric options, as companies want to ensure that any new vehicles can handle their operational demands effectively. Resistance to change. The comfort of established ways of working can create a significant barrier to change, especially in industries accustomed to older diesel trucks. Many drivers and fleet managers are familiar with their existing models, which makes the idea of transitioning daunting. Practices and workflows built around older vehicles can feel stable, and change often requires retraining or adjustment in day-to-day operations. The risk of disrupting established routines can lead to reluctance, as some may fear reduced efficiency during the transition period. Businesses thrive on predictability and reliability. The challenge becomes convincing stakeholders that investing in new technologies will lead to long-term benefits, despite the initial discomfort of changing old habits. These challenges highlight that while the retirement of older diesel trucks is essential for environmental sustainability, the journey to modernize fleets is not without obstacles. Understanding these hurdles can inform better strategies to support businesses in making the transition effectively. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.